right, Dana, get that pumpkin spice ready. It is starting to feel like fall.
Absolutely. Some of us have had our pumpkin spice already. That would be me. But it's really just going to feel so nice and crisp over the next couple of days. Honestly, setting us up for some pretty good fall foliage as we get later in the month. So no complaints in this department. We had a couple of showers that were moving through up in the county, but for the most part, we've really dried out over the past couple of hours. You can see that system where we kind of saw that circulation coming through, and that's going to just keep kind of inching away, which will set us up for a really nice end of the week. I'm going to keep saying it because it's going to keep being true. So high temperatures for today, average high is 70, and we got to just above 70 in a lot of places along the coastline. Inland though, things were pretty cool. A lot of places socked in with clouds and rain for much of the day. Didn't allow the temperatures to get out of the 60s. 54 was the high in Rangeley today, so that feels a lot more like the middle of fall than getting close to it. So low temperatures tonight in the middle 50s or so, so we'll start to feel like the kind of crispy fallness of it, but over the past couple of days we've seen more warmer nights, but we're starting to get into cool nights, and that's something that we're going to kind of consistently have over the next couple of days. So that low pressure system that gave us the rain today is going to keep moving out to the Atlantic, and a really strong high pressure system is going to move in overhead, and that's going to stay there for a while. So we're going to have nice weather over the next couple of days, but something that we do have to watch is this coastal low pressure system that's going to creep its way up the coast as we go over the next couple of days. Relatively slow moving. So the high pressure system is going to protect us until we get into the weekend, where right now the models aren't quite sure how that coastal low is going to set up, whether it's going to go just to the south of us or if it's going to clip the coast. So we'll keep an eye on that as we go over the next couple of days. So like I said, it's going to be a really nice stretch, partly cloudy on Wednesday and then mostly sunny as we go into Thursday and Friday. Could see a couple of cool mornings. Some spaces in the mountains could get into the upper 30s for low temperatures. And you can really see here that there's not much to see on that future radar. So we always like that, especially after all the rain that we've seen over the past couple of days. Still have that small craft advisory in effect until Wednesday at 5. That's because we've got some gusty winds and higher seas. So 7-day forecast, we like to see a lot of sunshine icons on there. So that high pressure system will be in control over the next couple of days. We'll start to get into the weekend where we see some of those high clouds move in ahead of that coastal low pressure system. We'll see over the next couple of days whether we're going to get some rain from that on Sunday or just some cloud cover. A different reason for some scattered showers on Monday, but overall, Zach, the rest of the week looks sunny, very fall-like. I'm very excited.
So am I. Dana, thanks so much.